And I can't let them have my mind, no way. I was on some different shit, I went my own way. Told my mama wipe them tears, it's gonna be okay. Made it from the bottom to the top, now I can't see the hate. Why they talking on my life like I won't make it? I'm too busy counting cheese while I'm getting faded. I won't say a word and these niggas still gon' hate me. And I ain't going to no club unless they tryna pay me.
What's good with y'all young and old bulls? How y'all doing? How y'all what y'all working on? Let me know in the comments. Please let me know in the comments. I know I say this all the time, but please, can y'all let me know in the comments how y'all doing? I know it's not too many of y'all to watch videos with her, but we trying to up that this upcoming year. I got some big goals, some big things coming soon. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's gonna be some good content for you guys to watch. So let me know how y'all doing, what y'all working on this winter. Y'all grinding, what big car shows y'all trying to make it to and all that. Cause right now we outside grinding. It's freezing, but I'm still trying to get out here and put this get this content together for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So let me know in the comments, like, share, show your grandma, your great grandma, your great grandpa, show all of them the video. You know what I'm saying? Tell them to stop by, say hi to Tavion's Garage, tell them I said what's up. It's all love. But today we're getting into working on a short bed. We finally getting ready for the upcoming season, trying to get some things together. You know what I'm saying? I made a lot of plays behind the scenes to where when Christmas is over with and I'm done spending that bag on, you know what I'm saying, you know how it is. When I'm done spending that bag on my peoples, then I'm gonna start focus on Project Short Bed. We're about to be trying to take this bed off to get this frame painted and all of this. We might be sending a short bed. This might be the first whip, you know what I'm saying, getting a paint job or whatever. I don't know yet. Depends on how my pocketbook looking later on or next year. But I'm trying to get this car at least running by January, by my birthday, which is January 27th. Your boy gonna be 23. You hear me? Big grown. Today we're gonna be trying to get the bed off the frame. Probably not painted today because it's so cold out here. As you see, I keep licking my lips. I cannot stop because I don't want to have bloody lips because I'm smiling too much or I'm talking too much. Well, a couple steps, I guess I should tell you guys. First step, take these 3 bolts out. You know what I'm saying? They're small little, I forget what size the bolts are. But take these 3 star bolts out. I think they're pretty big. I think it's like a T30 or something like that. And then push this back. You'll have a ground strap underneath the frame, or right there on the frame right there. It should be a 10 mil. And it's gonna be 8 bolts. 2 right here. You'll see them. It's connected to the, you'll see them for sure. 2 right there, 2 right here. These 2 right here along this side are kind of hidden. So they'd be probably kind of hard to get to. There'd be 2 right here, easily visible to see, and then 2 back here, very easy to see underneath the car. I would get under there and show you guys, but it is too cold to be doing all that right now. I'm trying to hurry up and get this over with because I want to go inside. My hands is freezing. I'm freezing. I hate the cold. It's the worst, but it brings the best out of people. Because last year, I got the box started in the cold. It was lit. So we're about to try to make this a movie too. After you get that taken off, if you don't have a stupid tonneau cover like I do, I have to figure out how the heck, I don't know what the heck they got going on, but I have to figure out how to get that off. It seemed like it's pretty on there, so I don't know. After you get that off, take these 2 bolts out for the tail lights, run the harness down underneath, and these 2 bolts, one right there, one right there, they're T15 stars. So you need one of these or one of those. Let me try to get all of this situated. I'm gonna cut y'all on throughout the video, you know what I'm saying, keep y'all updated on what y'all need to do if y'all are trying to take y'all bed off as well, or you know, whatever. finally got the tonneau cover off. They had like 2 screws right here, and then them little clips or clamps, whatever, holding it on there. So I finally got it off. I got it sitting on the side of the house. Now we're about to so I was looking underneath where you pull the wires out. It's some clamps. Let me see if I can show you. The wire come out right here. It's some clips, like you can see that one right there, and there's some more down there that I gotta take off before this bed is about ready to come off. So let me get those out real quick and get these straps set up on this bed. I'm gonna put one on right here, one right there on the corner, one right here on the corner, one right there, and try to lift it up right here in the middle. Hopefully all goes well. I don't know what I'm gonna do, put the bed after I get the bed off, but finally got the bed off. I thought it was sweet, you know what I'm saying? Thought I could do it by myself, which as you see I did, but it would probably been easier if I didn't have half grass, half, you know what I'm saying, concrete. The hoist got stuck in the grass. I had to get underneath. Here in a later video, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna get that gas tank dropped down, because this gas tank has a crack in it. So I'm gonna get this gas tank crack dropped down, get the fuel hoses out the way, probably get me a new sending unit, all of that. Yeah, it has a C notch. I don't know for real. I want to go coilovers, but dude who I bought it from was setting up for bags. Might just get some, mount these shocks better. Look at that. That's no bueno. Look at the other side. Yeah, probably a good thing that this car broke when it did, or shut down when it did on me. But give me a power wash over here, spray all of this, paint all of this, get this exhaust out the way, clean the back of this, get it all looking nice. I don't know what I'm doing rear end wise yet. I'll be going with 410 gears, but change the drums out, disc brakes, you know, regular schmegler, old build, you know. But we're gonna try to get this knocked out pretty fast. I don't know if I'm gonna hop back on this tomorrow and spray all of this down, or I'm just gonna go get a tarp, cover it, and call it a day until it get warm, because it's supposed to be warm later on this week. I do not know what I'm going to do with this bed. I'm gonna have to wait till somebody come over, call some of my bros over, help me out, get this thing lifted up and probably set it over there, because these folks out here be tripping, bro. Got the bed off, it's lit. You know, my big bro told me just take, you know what I'm saying, work on it little by little every day, and eventually your project will be finished. So the wisdom that he distilled on me, I'm going to distill on you guys, and let y'all know that. So just don't sit there, you know what I'm saying, order some parts. Take 2 bolts off, something. Eventually your rod will be finished and it'll be ready for next season. So appreciate y'all for watching, you know what I'm saying, like, comment, subscribe, let me know how the video is, and you know what I'm saying, let me know. But peace out.
And I can't let them have my mind, no way. I was on some different shit, I went my own way. Told my mama wipe them tears, it's gonna be okay. Made it from the bottom to the top, now I can't see the hate. Why they talking on my life like I won't make it? I'm too busy counting cheese while I'm getting faded. I won't say a word and these niggas still gon' hate me. And I ain't going to no club unless they tryna pay me.